Hello guys, so in the last video I have discussed about 3 types of differentiation methods you should be using if you are planning to start selling on Amazon FBA India. But why do you need to differentiate? Can you not sell the same exact product that your competitors are selling? If they are getting so much amount of sales by selling those products, can you not sell those same products and get the same amount of sales? Why can you not sell the same exact product or what we call Me Too product like everyone else is selling? Hi, my name is Sammy and in this video I am going to answer all those myths and misconceptions that you must be having before starting to sell on Amazon FBA. Now just assume there is a product, just for example let's take it as a neck pillow, and you see that this product is selling very good, and let's assume that it is selling for 600 products per month. And then what you see is, you see more 3 competitors are selling the same exact model, exact color product like the top competitor is, and let's assume their sales are 300, 200 and 120 respectively. So now you can ask me that, can I sell the exact same product like all the 3 competitors are selling? Yes, you could have sold the same exact product, but when the product was just emerging, when the competitors had a very few number of reviews, and when the competition was not that much, like not that much sellers selling the same product. And now since the product has already a lot of reviews and you have already missed the period when the market was just emerging and the reviews were very few, so it would be a very bad timing for you to enter in this market, especially when there are more than 2 or 3 competitors selling the same exact design. Now you may enter in this market, but your sales will be very less and it will be constantly decreased with more number of competitors coming into this market. First, because your competitor has a lot of reviews and you being just entering into the market, your reviews will be close to 0 or 0. So suppose you start running your PPC campaigns, and let's assume you have set your bid super high so that you got the very first position in the search result, and below your spot is your top competitor, and he is standing on its organic spot. Though Amazon won't always give you the first spot even though you bid super high, it also depends on your conversion for that particular keyword you are bidding for. So now let's talk about the search results. So now your product is on the top spot, getting the very first position of the sponsored search result, and below your product is your top competitor getting the organic spot. Now just look from your customer's point of view. It is your product that has 0 reviews, and below that it is your top competitor that has a lot of social proof, a lot of reviews. So which one would you buy from these 2 products? The product being exactly same, the exact color, the exact design, but a different number of social proof. Yes, the answer is obviously you will buy the second product with higher number of reviews because it simply has a lot of social proof on that product. And due to this, what happens is your PPC campaigns that you are running will spend a lot of budget in, and the cost per click will be very high. As a result, your conversion will be low and your ACoS will be super high. So you have to always think as if you're the customer, and think like your customer, that what product, by providing what product you can give them enough value so that they will prefer buying your product instead of your competitors. So read your competitors' reviews, read those negative reviews, the 4-star reviews, and see what the customers are already complaining about and what they want to improve in that same product your competitor is selling. Then try to implement those complaints in your product, and make sure when you build a product your customer don't complain about the same thing. And by providing this type of differentiation, solving all these problems, you are providing a differentiated product in the market. Now if you do all those changes, you will be the first one to doing all those changes, and you will be a different product in the market, and as a result customers will also get into your listing and also convert a lot higher than the previous one. Now you can also come up with a different design that serves the same purpose. What you can do is you can just search on Amazon.com, and you will see that a lot of sellers is already selling a different design, and that design is already preferred by the customers. You choose those design and then source the exact design from Alibaba. So what I always do with my products is, if I choose a new design to launch, then what I do is I also consider the negative reviews, the complaints that the customers are complaining, and I make sure that I change my product based on those complaints, and make sure my customers, when they purchase my product, they won't complain the same thing. And apart from those solving those complaints, I also make sure I add 1 or 2 bundles so that my customer feel enough value, and that will also provide an extra long value for my product against its competition. And because adding a bundle item and the differentiation, providing a new design, is a lot of complex process, so many seller will not prefer to do this type of processes, so they will avoid jumping into this market, and as a result you will sell for a longer period of time with lesser number of competition, and very less number of sellers will try to copy the exact product you are selling. So always try to differentiate your product either by providing a new design, or solving the complaints by reading the negative reviews, 4-star reviews, or adding 1 or 2 bundles, or either doing all of this in a same product. And if you are entering into a market that is very less competitive, suppose 1 or 2 products competitors that are selling exact same product, and the sales are very high but their listing quality is very low, then you can also differentiate by providing a better quality images, better listing, and if possible a product video. And trust me, these small steps will really help you achieve great success while launching your products and launching more and more products. So that is it for this video, and if you guys love this type of video, then please make sure to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.